Hello, my name is Manjeet Singh and I am here with Reiki Master Jaswinder Singh Sidhu. We will be having a brief conversation about Reiki. So, sir, first of all, I welcome you to this session. Thank you for sparing your precious time with us.
I am also thankful.
Can you tell me something about yourself? When did you start teaching Reiki?
I learned Reiki in the year 2005 from Dr. Karnpal Singh Sandhu in Amritsar, and I also attained Reiki mastership from him in year 2012, and since 2012 I have been teaching as a Reiki master, and I am running my own Reiki healing center where I teach Reiki, and we also heal people there without any kind of medicine.
First of all, tell us what is Reiki and what it is not.
Reiki is a Japanese word because the founder of Reiki, Dr. Mikao Usui, belongs to Japan. So this is a Japanese word. It means universal life force energy. We all are born with this energy, and throughout the life we live with it. This energy is in abundance in our surrounding, in our planet. The whole universe is filled up with this energy. We call it Reiki. What Reiki is not? Reiki is not any religion. Reiki is not a caste. Reiki is not concerned with calling spirits. And Reiki is not a hypnosis. And Reiki is also not any psychological activities. In simple words, I told you it is a universal life force energy. So this is the meaning of Reiki.
Is there any particular qualification for a person to learn Reiki, or anybody can learn Reiki?
Anybody can learn Reiki. There is no particular qualification required. 7 year and above the age of 7 year people can learn Reiki related with any profession. There are few levels in Reiki. Reiki first level, second level, third level and fourth level. First level of Reiki is called touch healing therapy. First level of Reiki we can learn in 2 days. It takes 10 to 12 hours minimum. After the practice of 21 days, which is needed when we do first level of Reiki, then we need 21 days practice at home. In this practice, we clean our body and we increase our aura, our energies. Then we become capable to attain second level of Reiki. And second level of Reiki is also called distance healing technique. In this level of Reiki, we can heal anybody from distance. And this level is also learned in 2 days. It also takes 10 to 12 hours. Reiki third and fourth level can be learned only after few years regular practicing of Reiki.
Sir, as you said earlier, a second degree healer can heal from distance. So my question is, can a person learn Reiki from distance? Is it possible or not?
Okay, second degree healer can heal anybody from distance, but it is not possible to learn Reiki from the distance, because I want to tell you about one important thing about learning Reiki. There is one process which is being done by a Reiki master is called initiation, and that initiation process cannot be done from the distance. In this process, Reiki master activates some chakras to enhance the energies. When this process is complete by a Reiki master, then any healer become capable to do Reiki, him or herself, or to others. So nobody can teach Reiki from distance, and nobody can learn Reiki from distance.
Okay. Sir, my last question is, what are the benefits of Reiki?
There are so many benefits of learning Reiki. With the help of Reiki, we heal humans, we can heal animals, we can heal plants, birds, even non-living things, machines can be healed by a Reiki. There are many benefits of learning Reiki. With the help of Reiki, every kind of disease, even there are some chronic diseases which are not curable by the medicine or with the help of medicine, but with the help of Reiki, that chronic diseases can be healed. We can heal our mind with the help of Reiki. We can get peace of mind by healing with Reiki, and we also heal our soul with the help of Reiki, and we can grow spiritually with the help of Reiki. We can get rid of our emotions, our negative thoughts. We get strength in our society. We can improve our relationships. We become a better person, and we explore with the help of Reiki a true happiness. Nowadays people are searching for a true happiness in materialistic world, which is not possible. So when we learn Reiki and we enlighten or get enlightened our soul, or in other words we taste of spirituality, then we explore what is the real happiness. So Reiki is a very beneficial in every aspect of life. So these are the major benefits of learning Reiki.
So at the last of this session, I want to thank you, sir, for being present here with us, for sharing so much useful information about Reiki. So thank you, sir, very much.
I am also thankful to this Reiki energy, and I am also thankful to my Guru Dr. Karnapal Singh Sandhu, from whom I learnt the whole knowledge about Reiki, and I am also thankful Dr. Mikao Usui, who discovered it, and I am thankful to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.